Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wells Fargo account alerts step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo homepage. Locate the Sign On button in the top right corner of the screen. Click the Sign On button to proceed to the login page. Enter your Wells Fargo username in the designated field. Input your password carefully to ensure accuracy. After entering your credentials, click the Sign On button to access your account. Once logged in, look for the Account Alerts option in your account dashboard. Click on Account Alerts to view the available options. Select the types of alerts you are interested in, such as transaction alerts, balance notifications, or security alerts. Choose the delivery method for your alerts. This can be via email or text message. If you select text message alerts, you may need to provide your mobile phone number. Ensure that your phone number is entered correctly to avoid any issues. For added security, confirm your phone number by following the prompts provided. After selecting your preferences, click the Save or Update button to confirm your alert settings. You will receive a notification confirming the successful setup of your account alerts. Log out of your Wells Fargo account once you have completed your changes. Check your email or phone for a verification message regarding your alert preferences. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated your Wells Fargo account alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.